Today we'll be showing the blind spots in a skid steer loader. The pillar right here is a blind spot to anybody standing out here, as well as right here. And the main blind spot will be behind you. You can't see behind you right here. So it's very important for people behind you to know what you're going to be doing. And also right here. For behind me right now, I cannot see if anyone is back there. But when I get out, it turns out there's a very large man standing right there. And I wouldn't have been able to see him, and I might have ran him over. That's why knowing skid steer blind spots is very important, so no one gets injured.